Before installing your Eufy smart lock, first verify that your door is compatible. Check that your door thickness is between 1.5 and 2.2 inches, and ensure you have a standard deadbolt hole. Gather the necessary tools for installation. You'll need a screwdriver, drill with bits, measuring tape, and pencil for marking. Having all tools ready will make the installation process smooth and efficient. Remove your existing deadbolt lock carefully. Unscrew the interior and exterior components, then remove the latch mechanism from the door edge. Keep all original parts as reference for proper alignment of your new smart lock. Begin assembling the new Eufy smart lock components. Start with the exterior assembly, aligning all pieces carefully. The proper alignment is crucial for smooth operation of the electronic mechanisms. Install the strike plate on the door frame. The strike plate must be properly aligned with the latch mechanism. Adjust the tab if necessary to ensure the deadbolt extends and retracts smoothly. Connect the electronic components carefully. Plug in all cable connections, ensuring they are secure. The motor component and sensor cables must be properly connected for the smart lock to function correctly. Finally, install the rechargeable battery pack. Insert the battery into the designated compartment and ensure it clicks securely into place. The battery powers all electronic functions of your Eufy smart lock. The first step in setting up your Eufy smart lock is downloading the Eufy Security app from your device's app store and creating an account. Once you have the app installed and your account created, open the app and select Smart Locks from the main menu. Then choose your specific lock model. Next, you'll need to scan the QR code located on your smart lock device. This QR code is typically found on a sticker on the device itself. After successful pairing, the app will guide you through calibrating your lock. This ensures the lock mechanism works properly with your door. Once calibrated, configure your lock settings including PIN codes, fingerprint access, and temporary access codes for guests. Finally, ensure your lock maintains a stable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection for optimal performance. Regularly check for app and firmware updates to maintain security and functionality.